Alright students, you can see here this example of expanded form. This number is already expanded, alright, and what we are going to do, we are going to combine these and form a number, alright. Using the expanded form, we are going to combine all of these and form a number. And what will help us to do? The place value chart will help us, alright. So what we are going to do, we are going to start with the last. You can see how many digits we are going to have. We have over here units, tens. Now in this question I have not given you all of the place values. You can see units, tens, but there is no 100, there is no 1000, there is no 10,000. all right, how many values do we have over here? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. After tens, I have directly given you million. So this means the whole portion of 100, we don't have 100, we don't have 1000, we don't have 10,000. all right, first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to look at the first number. all right, we are going to look at the first number since there are missing values here. So what we are going to do, we are going to look at the first number and find the place value of the first number. We can see we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. This means that we have 100 million value over here. all right, we have 100 million value, and 100 million has 9 digits, right? 100 million has 9 digits. all right, so we can see here we have to first put the place value chart. That will help us, and then we are going to write down each value here in the place value chart. all right, we are going to start with units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. all right, now we can see that we have 100 million. Till 100 million we have made the place value chart. We till 100 million, right? Now we are going to put all of the numbers here in the place value chart. all right, we can see here we have how many 100 million? 900 million. One units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. We have 900 million. So how many 100 million we have? We have 900 million. So in the 100 million column, put 9. all right, then next number we are going to see that this number, the next number is having how many values? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This means it's a 10 million value. Units, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So in the 10 million column we are going to write down 4. all right, now let's see that next value is how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digits means it's a million. Unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So in the million column we are going to write down 5, right? Then we are going to see that after million, over here after million we just have a 60. This means there are no these values are not given. These values are going to be having a 0 value. all right, and we're going to have how many after million? We have 60. This means we have only tens and ones, units. So what we're going to do, we're going to place zeros in all of these digits, all of these values which are not given. 100,000 is not there, 10,000 is not there, 1,000 is not there, 100 is not there. We only have 6 tens. So we write down 6 tens in the tens column, and we have 6 units. So these values are going to be having no value. So this means they are having zeros. So this number now you can read is 945 million and 66. 945 million and 66. You can see here we have 900 million, 40 million, 5 million, 66. We don't have any 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, any 100. All right, so if that value is missing here, so first of all we put the place value chart, and then we are going to put the numbers in the place value chart like this. All right,